I actually was approached by Cartel to be signed to Gaza.
Because was this through the Da Vinci link or Cartel seeing what you were doing separately and said you wanted you to?
All right. What's that now? Popcaan, Andre Sutherland. we are Poppy apart from is it from my name Liquor Shutter?
Mhm.
Poppy was introduced to me in a Portland as a youth. Poppy used to go Happy Grove when me I go Teachfield because me end up leave. And the story, my story one way and I never know to keep it together and me at the night jumble up. You know, me end up leave Compre, Port Antonio High, and go come to school at town for 1 year. Undergrad college. Live uptown. Arthur Whale. Them time there. I say, yo, no, sir, them look youth around Beanie. Beanie can't just have them. So them look youth, we have to take them over and make them and groom them and make sure it's them good artists. Listen, me I say, Arthur Whale really and take me over and say, yo, you know what I mean? And I was there for a year in Kingston, living uptown in a Norbrook. Like an uptown youth. Listen, me I say, the time we are youth. Listen, me I say, them time then at the time, 2002 to 2003, actually. You see me? And I come and go undergrad college for a little while. And Arthur Whale, there are differences and some it never work out well. So Arthur Whale send back a country. We go back a country, shame face. No, after find out we are black in this country, in a country. Because people move on. My country people them say, oh, Versi Cawva at all now, you know. You know what I mean? Because my career, my parish follow me with my thing, you know. So when they at town now, they must say, hey, DJ gone. And him, you know what I mean? I road for DJ now. Because every time I leave my parish and the town, impact. Some form of impact. So the fact that I can't live at town now, so the DJ gone now. You know what I mean? And then when they told me traveling and thing, you see me I say? So the future was looking very bright. So the people never expect me to come back a country can live. You see me I say? But that's it. A part of the reality of life when we get to learn from early. You see me I say? And reach back a country after adjust black. Fortunately, we get back in a school, Teachfield High School. You see me I say? We used to play ball too. You see me I say? So we play ball and we're supposed to play ball for the school and then my foot mess up. You know, I get to play ball after we are trained. We play a D Cup. Anyhow, we in at the school, I go Teachfield, concert, them are going again, you know, shut in at the school. You know, the concert, them have to turn up again. And so me I say, no concert start going outside now. Before when the name shut down, it was in an auditorium. Now, at the school prom now, I keep now. No prom, pier. It's to call it pier. That we used to call it like fear. Sorry. That's about fear. The school fear.
Yes.
Yeah. Like all Easter Monday and them time there, holidays and school fear, big thing, because big artists them used to bring in at the school them time, you know. They might bring all Beanie Man, they might bring Spragga Benz, they bring all Cartel already.
Okay.
Now this yeah. Them time them my name Shatter and I get a turn and I become a teenager now. And I get bigger in the artist thing. I develop more skills. When I time Spragga Benz them bring a little artist over them and him run on and say, me say one little boy over here named Shatter. How him there? You don't send him out, let me kill him. Me I say, oh him so bad. You see me? And with the black stage I said, you know what I mean? A little nervousness chip in to come, me never plan for this. You see me I say? Yeah. I'm here in chapter 2 and I say, yo, hey boy, I'm a deaf out there. You don't know me can't black down, regardless of how you feel, you can't black down. You see me? I'm a step out. I tell Pop them go deal with them wicked. You see me I say? Go find out say him not so bad like how him a go on. They boy out there go like my wickedest thing. They want to go there go flatten him. Spark up against them here say beat him and carry him home black. Because Spark up against them bring you from country for come work show. How the hell you I say I take on the parish artist. You see me I say? See how you want to be a claim to fame, brother. Drain to drain, man. Yeah, man. Or a drain to drain, man.
And it was in this time here was when you linked with Popcaan in this time here too also?
Now them time you know when yes, now them time when I have a teach field now. Going to teach field now. You know them time when I start me mash up them concert and thing. You know, my early teenage years. Virgin name Zebby from my community. Him used to go Happy Grove with Popcaan. So him used to bring Popcaan at the community. You see me I say? I'm telling the Popcaan never named Popcaan. You know? I swear. I mean, I don't even remember a name we used to call him, but them time there, him used to just forward round and fascinated by even me to call. You don't know them time there. Me popular in the community and mash up the show them and thing. As I say, Papi used to even DJ. No, to me sang them from my youth. That's what I say, them time there when I know him, we make a couple part together and thing, and then me end up go and do my thing, and then me end up go back at town go live. When we go back at town go live now, after me end up old school and go back at town go live, couple years after, Papi, me just see Papi pop up. Papi just pop up at 357. And then when you pull up at 357, I say, yo, no that you tell man. You see me I say? And I say, I say, yeah. Papi, you see me? Alright, we start connect up black in a town because they don't know in a Kingston. Because I know too, from me see my Poland people and people with me, you know, embrace them and we have our energy. You see me I say, whereas if you do music, we. You see me I say? Yeah. I've been a team player a long time. We're a team player. You see me? As much as me want outstanding youth from long time, I've always been a team player. Me never feel like say, me have to prove for you to be me. You know what I mean? Honestly, I just like that about myself. Sometimes I never like it because sometimes I feel just competitive. You know what I mean? Because some of them being a team player, sometimes I be team player with some people who compete with you. You understand me? So, and just that. But we still not regret being a team player.
For sure.
You know what I mean? Still there we are alive.
For sure. So then you linked back with Papi now in town. So he was the one that was introducing you to Cartel at that time there? Or how did the Cartel link now come in?
Papi actually draw me in a Gaza. You see me? Because Papi and for somehow Papi and the youth in Gaza never have the best relationship. The artists them. Him and the power them have been power them in Gaza, but it look like the artists them never so much rate Papi because of Cartel did rate Papi. And the love of Cartel I show Papi. Papi did know how to deal with teacher. You see me I say? Yeah, because Papi could have just pull up and call teacher and teacher pull up too. That was me and Papi apart. And Papi called teacher and said, teacher, me and Versi there, I say, no. And teacher pull up. Yeah, our whole vibe. You see me? Because teacher didn't know, say, me and Papi brethren. You don't know. So in one night time, we were up at 357 and pull up. And we did a whole vibe and we did and you know, all we are when we have a whole vibe with teacher, it's always a jovial vibe too. You know what I mean? Whether we are a joke or we are rhyme. You see me I say? And think. So one of them time they would do that too. Even Ramesh did pull up. Being a man pull up. Being a man end up when I studio and we did a whole vibe and Cartel I said to me, say, yo dog, how you signed to? You see me I say? And me I say, I'm not saying to nobody, but you don't know Ramesh me saying. You see me? I must say, when you sign to Gaza, so you're gone, you know what I mean? Yeah, it registered on my brain, we know, we see teacher impact and everything. You see me? I start them time there, we just start work with Ramesh, bank in a pocket, just start go on, you know what I mean? And me see Ramesh as a good manager. You see me? I say? Me did see the potential in a Ramesh, and me also say, I'm me the run a Ramesh. But them the run a cartel. You understand me? So the fact that the whole of that just start and when they run a Ramesh, Ramesh called me one side out of the studio and said, dog, you know what Cartel said? I said, I want to pay Ramesh. I believe in yourself. God no. Even the other day, I remind Ramesh about that. You see me? You know, me Ramesh for do some work now again.
We're gonna that's down in the story. We're definitely gonna get to that part there. So the fact that you even knew that you would probably get Cartel is here with a camp, and Cartel is hot them time there. Ramesh is just pushing out in the business, but you knew you could get more attention as an artist if you're with Ramesh opposed to joining the camp with Cartel type of thing.
No, it's not the attention, because right away, everybody around Cartel, regardless how much of them running, them get attention. As the focus was on Cartel. Even if it's not on him, he might make it depend on him. So me as a teacher, I have that power. So I never that. I just me being me as a loyal soldier. You see me? And don't say Ramesh. You see me I say? And then me's a man of my word too. So we don't tell teacher say Ramesh, me say. So when Ramesh call me out and say, it's like if you go back from my word, I'm done say Ramesh, me say I'm gonna try go and teach again. No, man, we have to hold this man. Ramesh, me say, man. You know what I mean? Like if you didn't know, say Ramesh should have said, like thinking about it, but I said, Jalo, all right, then if what we agree about this, I better move then for the artist. You see what I say? But it was just a quick decision that I made by answering to Cartel and making no say, yeah man. You see, even after that, Puppy said, join him, why tell him man that man a couple of times. You see me I say? So Puppy is a youth I'm a charge, Puppy I was good friend. You see me I say? You mean Puppy me feel like him did one good for the eye too, You see me I say him at that stage, You see me? But there comes a time now when the stage change and people just look at things differently.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusica.com.